Choosing the right nutrients can make or break your plant growth and final yield. Best Nutrient Kit for Weed helps maximize growth, boost flowering, and ensure stronger, healthier plants from seed to harvest. Here are top picks for consistent results. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Athena Blended Nutrients Kit. The Athena Blended Nutrients Kit stands out as a complete, professional-grade feeding system tailored for growers who want consistency and strong results from start to finish. With its full 8-part lineup, including Grow A and B, Bloom A and B, PK, Cleanse, Balance, and CAMG, it covers every stage of plant development without leaving gaps in nutrition. This makes it especially appealing for growers who prefer a structured, reliable program rather than mixing and matching separate products. The formulas are fully water-soluble and pH-stable, which helps prevent clogging in hydroponic or drip systems while keeping maintenance simple. Another advantage is its compatibility with multiple growing media, whether you're using soil, cocoa, or hydroponics. Despite being used by commercial cultivators, the kit is still approachable for home growers due to its straightforward design. It eliminates guesswork and delivers clean, consistent feeding without unnecessary fillers. Overall, this kit is a dependable option for anyone aiming for high-quality harvests with minimal complications throughout the growing cycle. Number 2. FoxFarm Soil Liquid Nutrients Kit. The FoxFarm Soil Liquid Nutrients Kit is a well-known trio that has earned its reputation through years of reliable performance in soil-based gardening. Featuring Grow Big, Big Bloom, and Tiger Bloom, this set provides a simple yet effective feeding schedule that supports plants from early growth through flowering. Big Bloom works as a gentle, organic-based formula that nourishes plants throughout their life cycle, while Grow Big steps in during the vegetative stage to promote lush foliage and strong structural development. When it's time for flowering, Tiger Bloom delivers a boost that encourages bud formation and fruit production. Gardeners also appreciate the brand's long-standing consistency, as each batch is greenhouse tested to ensure dependable results. For those growing in soil and looking for a straightforward, proven nutrient system, this trio offers a balanced approach that supports healthy, productive plants without unnecessary complexity.
Number 3. Cronk Nutrients 500 ml Nutrients Kit. The Cronk Nutrients 500 ml kit delivers a compact yet effective all-in-one solution designed to support plant growth from start to harvest. Despite its smaller size, the kit includes a well-rounded combination of 5 essential fertilizers that work together to promote strong development and increased yields. It's particularly appealing for growers who want a streamlined setup without sacrificing performance. The formulas are crafted to provide a full spectrum of nutrients, ensuring plants receive what they need for root strength, foliage growth, and productive flowering. The nutrient blends are derived from high-quality sources, contributing to consistent results and improved plant health. Growers often notice enhanced vigor and better overall output when using the system regularly. Another highlight is that the kit is developed with input from experienced cultivators, which reflects in its balanced formulation. Overall, it's a practical choice for those seeking a reliable, easy-to-manage nutrient package that delivers noticeable improvements in plant performance. Number 4. Humboldts Secret Nutrients Kit. The Humboldts Secret Nutrients Kit offers a comprehensive feeding program designed to guide plants smoothly from seedling to harvest. With a combination of base A and B, flower stacker, CalMag and iron, golden tree, and plant enzymes, it provides a structured approach that supports both growth and flowering stages effectively. Each component plays a specific role, from strengthening roots and improving nutrient uptake to enhancing flower production and overall plant vitality. The formulas mix easily into water, making daily feeding routines simple and manageable, even for indoor growers using tents or small setups. One of the standout aspects is its concentration, allowing a relatively small amount of product to create large volumes of nutrient solution, which adds long-term value. It also performs well across various growing media, giving growers the flexibility to switch between soil, cocoa, or hydro systems without changing products. This kit is especially useful for those who want a complete system that reduces the need for additional supplements. Overall, it delivers steady growth, healthy plants, and reliable results with a straightforward feeding routine.
Number 5. VIVOSUN Liquid Nutrients Kit. The VIVOSUN Liquid Nutrients Kit is a simplified two-part system designed for growers who prefer efficiency without sacrificing plant performance. Using just base A and base B, it delivers a full range of macro and micronutrients needed from the vegetative stage through flowering. This straightforward approach removes the complexity often associated with multi-bottle feeding schedules, making it especially appealing for beginners or those managing multiple plants. The formulas are highly concentrated and fully water-soluble, ensuring even distribution and easy absorption when mixed properly. The kit is compatible with a wide range of growing methods, including soil, hydroponics, aquaponics, and copoquire, making it a flexible option for different setups. As long as the two parts are diluted separately before use, the feeding process remains smooth and effective. Overall, this kit provides a practical balance of simplicity and performance, making it a solid choice for growers looking for consistent results with minimal effort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.